It's hard to believe, but not too long ago, mobile phones used to look like this. And we mostly use them for doing this. But then they started to change, and the stuff inside them, their operating systems, got more advanced. So suddenly, they were able to do a whole lot more than just make phone calls. It's how mobile phones became, well, smartphones. But there was a problem. Phone makers were either having to build their own operating system, which was really hard, or license one, which was expensive. And app developers were having to create different versions of their apps for all the different operating systems and devices out there. All in all, it left people with a limited choice of apps and only a few expensive smartphones to choose from, which wasn't good for anyone. So, we took a cue from the good old internet. We saw how something open and shared makes it easier for everyone to create and innovate and opens up more opportunities for more people. That's why we decided to build Android, a free, open operating system for everyone. Because it's free, new phone makers like Fairphone could get up and running without having to pay for an operating system. And hardware manufacturers like Arcos could create more affordable devices, helping more people get online. We also designed Android to be open, so phone makers like BQ and over 1,000 others could customize it to suit their devices. Ride-sharing apps like BlaBlaCar could focus on making their app better, instead of creating different versions for different operating systems. And a single developer in his shed could build an app like Talk that checks your car's health, and it could be as good and loved as anyone else's. From large companies to small startups, Android is helping people all over Europe and all over the world build businesses that create all sorts of things, like thousands of different smartphones, millions of apps, and lots of devices, like tablets, TVs, even watches. We set out to build an operating system that would create more choice for every user. One that every phone maker could build on, every app developer could create for, and every mobile operator could work with. Why? Because more choice means everybody wins.